War Thunder Mission Editor Object Properties panel. In this tutorial, we delve into the most fun part of the War Thunder editor, working with vehicles, planes, helicopters, battle tanks, and warships. Let us begin. We will open a map and a mission file. Normally, we will often see yellow areas over a large part of the map surface. They are the areas through which automatically moving vehicles travel, and we will explain how they work in depth in future tutorials. Now, we are not going to give them more importance, and we are going to remove them from the display for greater clarity and to facilitate the tutorial explanations. To remove these meshes, we will click on the Scene View tab and then with the Show Nav Mesh button. Once done, we return to the Mission Editor environment by clicking on the Mission Editor tab. Now we are going to see a panel that you are going to use a lot. We are going to display the Object Properties panel. This form is one of the most important in the Missions Editor and the one that will provide us with the most entertainment. To display the panel, click on the Show Hide Object Props Panel button. Although I always use the P key, it's much faster. We can see the vehicles that we add to the map represented by a symbol of an airplane, tank, or ship in green, red, or blue, depending on the army to which the vehicle belongs. In this example mission, they are already added to the map. We will select a vehicle, drawing a rectangle over it with the mouse, and in the control panel, we change the army to which the vehicle is assigned. The icon will change color. We have the options of 0, 1, or 2 armies. With these buttons, we can also add or remove the names of each vehicle and the ship, plane, or tank icon. Okay, and now another important thing. In order to see the vehicle in question realistically, just as we will see it in the game, in 3 dimensions and not just the little icon, you have to click on the button with the drawing of a teapot. What does a teapot have to do with the game War Thunder? The teapot tops the list of the objects most used to render 3-dimensional objects, and some War Thunder programmer must have liked the idea of putting this icon. It is undoubtedly a nod to the first creators of computer graphics. If you have a not very powerful computer, perhaps you can use the icons instead of the realistic models to work more easily, although with current computers, even if they are low-end, you will almost certainly be able to work with all the textures without problems. If this tutorial has been useful to you, I encourage you to give it a like. That will also encourage me to make more videos and share my knowledge. Don't hesitate to tell me in the comments what you thought of the tutorial, and if you have any questions so I can explain them in future videos. Join the channel and you will have access to exclusive content, such as more advanced Mission Editor tutorials that I will add every month, access to the mission files used in the tutorials, more direct contact with me, and many other benefits. Cheer up! I'll also wait for you at www.nicebluetiger.com.